Hola estudiantes, buenos días. Hoy es el 10 de noviembre de 2020. La meta, ¿quién soy yo? So again, we are using the same goal as yesterday. Who am I? ¿Quién soy yo? El agnora para hoy, ¿qué día es hoy? Please respond to that question. And again, you do not have to write this down anywhere. I'm just asking you to please respond to it. Try to answer. ¿Qué día es hoy? And your answer should be hoy es martes. Today is Tuesday. Okay, so you're going to review your personal ID questions on your own. You can click over here or follow along, or I will put the link in Google Classroom and you can go to Quizlet and complete the review for the questions. And then sorry, my dog is walking around in the background and I keep on checking to see what she's doing. You're going to complete a recording on Flipgrid.com. So I'm just going to move this out of the way so you can see what it says over there. Make sure to submit all recordings on Flipgrid.com before the due date. The assessment closes Sunday night, okay? So Sunday night, Flipgrid automatically shuts down and you will not be able to access the assessment after then. So make sure to turn it in and complete it in Flipgrid before then. If you have any questions about how to use Flipgrid, please email me, but I'm going to talk you through that right now. Make sure to turn in the assignment in Google Classroom when it is completed. Okay, so remember, review your questions first, and then you're going to click over here to go to flipgrid.com. So let's see. Okay, it automatically logged me in because I had logged in previously. I'm logged in now as my daughter. You could see her name over here. So what it should ask you the first time, what it should ask you to do the first time is how to log in. You want to log in using your school email. So you want to click Google. Please make sure that you are logging in using a Google email address, and it must be the school email address for you to access this. It will not work if you are not using your school email address. Okay, so it says personal ID speaking assessment. This is your first speaking assessment. Please make sure to respond to each of the questions in full sentences in Spanish. Listen carefully to each question I ask and then respond in Spanish. Click on my video recording to the top right, so click over here. This is my video recording. It's on the right-hand side of your screen in order to hear the questions. So you must listen to my recording first before you record a response. So you're going to click here. Hola, estudiantes. Por favor, respondan en una frase completa a las preguntas. Hi, guys. Please make sure that you are responding in a complete sentence to each of these questions. Okay, so I'm not going to play the whole video, but you see you click over here, anywhere over here, and it will play the video for you. For you to record a response, you are going to click over here where it says record a response, or you can click over here. Either one of them works. Okay, so you click on one of them to record your response, and you'll see now it shows me in my video, so you can watch me record my response. You have many different options you can play around with. You can mirror the video, so turn it around. You can flip-flop yourself. I actually like the way that looks better. You can add some effects over here, so you can put a text bubble. If we hit effects again, you can put emojis. Okay. You can put a frame around you, which is what I did for the video that I recorded for you. There's one that looks like a news frame, so I put that on. You can put different frames like this, whatever it is that you want. And I mean, you can keep on playing with the effects. This one, it makes it look like there's a whiteboard. So if you want to write something over there, you can. Okay, it's all up to you. That's just for you to have fun. What I'm really looking for is you to record your responses to my questions. So you would click over there. Okay, so you click on record. And then once you get there, you can play around with this all you want. When you are ready to record your responses to my questions, you're going to click here. It gives you a countdown. And now you are recording. You'll see over here, this is moving over. So it's telling you you have 2 minutes and 30 seconds of recording time. Please make sure that you are done before that goes down to 0. So when this number goes lower, that means that's how long you have left to record. So you should record each response here in this one video. Okay, once you are done, you are going to pause it over here. You're going to hit next. And now you are recording. You'll see over here, this is moving over.
If you are happy with your video,
you have 2 minutes and 30
you can hit next. Once you are ready to submit it, okay, you can leave your name the way it is. That's fine because it logs you in with your school email address. So leave the display name alone. You don't need to put any links here. You don't need to put a title. You just need to hit submit, okay? And just make sure, read the directions. It says, do not close that. Okay, so once you're done, you can hit complete. I do not need you to copy and paste this anywhere. Okay, so now, if you look, even though you know I just recorded a response, you are still seeing 0 responses here because your responses are private. So I have changed the settings on Flipgrid so nobody else can see your videos and comment on them. Just me as the teacher has access to them. So please don't worry about anybody seeing your videos or recording or, playing them or responding to them. Just I have that opportunity. So please make sure again that you do this before the due date. It is an assessment and it is a big part of your quarter 1 grade.